in Iceland, and today it's very windy. It's rain forecast, storm forecast. I'm on my own and I hope you can understand me actually. I'll try to reach Skogafoss today, and then afterwards maybe I'll try to go to the plane wreck on the beach. Yeah, let's see how this goes. This tour is roughly 40 kilometers, so I will probably try to hitchhike in between because I only have like 6 hours of light. Yes, and it's very wet at the moment. It's very warm for Icelandic standards. It's beginning of February and it's plus 5 degrees, so all the snow is melting, which means everything is super wet. Yeah, let's see how this goes. So I reached the ring road. I'll try to stop a car now. I think I got about 10 minutes before I'm gonna get super wet. Hello. Thank you. But not as cold as here. It's very different here. So the second car on the road stopped. I was there for maybe 2 minutes, and the dude also went to Skogafoss. So yeah, I reached the place super quickly. I'll try to head inside for a little bit now and warm up, because as always you get super wet at this waterfall. Yeah, and then we'll continue. So I'm back at road 1 and I'll try to hitchhike to the plane now. I'm assuming it will be super easy again, but we'll see.
21,000.
Yeah.
ESK.
I start heading towards the plane, hoping I'll make it there before the weather gets even worse. So it's super windy at the moment. I just did the first couple of meters from back there. It's way too warm, so there are massive puddles under the snow, which is not ideal, but This shuttle is bringing people to and from the plane because if the weather gets too bad, it can actually become dangerous quite quickly. Basically there was a chill hike, a little bit less wind would have been fine, but yeah, let's explore it. This plane crashed on the beach here in the 70s and fortunately everybody made it out alive. But since then, a few tourists have died around here. And as you can see, the storm is picking up and the weather can change here at a moment's notice. The wind speeds are reaching up to 60 miles an hour now, and if you're underprepared, then it can get dangerous quite quickly. By now, everybody else left with the shuttle and I'm here alone. I'm just hiding, waiting for an opportunity for the wind to die down and make my way back. So the first storm front went over us. It was pretty cold. People that came to this thing with the shuttle didn't seem too happy. Yeah, I'll start turning around now. I think I'm gonna get hit by another one on the way back. But I think it's not that big. This boy might be here. Okay, I'm on the way back now. I will run for a bit because I think the storm is only getting stronger. I don't want to get caught by it too much. Alright, we're like 80% back. I have very wet feet because most of the snow is molten here. But yeah, maybe I'll make it before the storm arrives. We'll see. But then I also still have to hitchhike back, so it will probably hit me at some point. Keep you posted. Not too easy to hitchhike here. So I'm going to the road now. I have this light as a safety precaution because it's getting a little bit dark, and I'll try to stop the car now. So once again I got picked up immediately and made it back no problem. So that's it for today.